The house with no sound. Hey everyone, Iko is here to share another story with you. So, let's start. The house with no sound. Atam Shido In a small village, there was a house that made no sound. No birds landed on its roof. No wind touched its windows. Even the rain stayed away. People said it was cursed. But Ellie didn't believe in curse. One afternoon, she walked up to the house. Her heart beating fast. The door creaked open without a touch. She stepped inside. It was silent. No echo, no footsteps. Just silence. Then she started. A dusty mirror standing in the hallway. Words appeared slowly across the glass. The truth only speaks to those who listen with care. Ellie leaned closer. A soft breeze brushed her ear. Not from the wind, but from the mirror. She heard whispers. Not scary, but soft, like old memories. She followed the whispers through the silent house. Each room showed pieces of someone's story. A forgotten letter, a broken clock, a music box with no music. At the end of the hallway, she found a book titled The Sound of the Heart. She opened it, and suddenly, the house was filled with gentle sounds. Laughter, music, the winds, and birds singing. The house wasn't cursed. It was lonely. Waiting for someone to care. Moral: something stay quiet not because they are broken. But because they are waiting for someone to truly listen. ဘာကြောင့်လဲဆိုတော့သူတို့ဟာသူတို့ကိုအမှန်တကယ်နားထောင်ပေးစတဲ့လူနားထောင်ပေးစတဲ့သူဇုံတယောက်ကိုစောင့်နေခဲ့ခြင်းကြောင့်ပဲတိတ်ဆိတ်ငြိမ်သက်စွာနေခဲ့ကြတာဖြစ်ပါတယ် Thank you for listening to the end. Hope you guys will like it. See you in next more story. Bye bye.